it's Jade from Sweet Softies, and today I'm giving you a quick video preview of my 3 newest Amigurumi dolls. As you can see, they are a cat, bunny, and a puppy dog here. And these 3 are all made using Hobby's Baby Snuggle yarn, which is a super bulky weight polyester yarn that is velvety, soft, and works up quickly. So I really love how these 3 turned out, and they're in the same collection of dolls. What I also wanted to mention is that they have similar body types but have some variations among them. So I'm going to go ahead and go through each of these little designs now. First up is Hiro. This is Hooded Hiro. He is a little puppy dog, and as you can see, he's got a hood on that you can remove, pull down, and you can also take it off completely if you want to. So he's got this hoodie with, as you can see on the bottom of it, a little lining to differentiate between his top and his bottom, and his legs are crocheted directly to his body here. And that's the same with all of these dolls. They have less sewing required because the legs are crocheted directly to the body. You may find that some of these patterns also include the arms crocheted directly to the body, and as well as things like the dress skirt for the bunny in a little bit. But here is Hiro. The next one I have here is Ollie in overalls. So Ollie is a cute little cat. His legs and tail are all crocheted directly to his body, and you'll see that he's wearing a pair of overalls with little buttons in the front. Just a cute little detail you can add on. His legs also have a suggestion of pants here. You'll see that his actual leg itself is thinner than his pant leg, so that's a nice little detail you will get to enjoy when you're crocheting him. Lastly, I have here Della in a dress. This is Della the bunny, and Della has the most complex outfit out of the 3 of these dolls here. She's wearing a little pair of shoes, flats, that lead up to stockings. You'll see that the stockings trim is neatly done so that it looks like she's actually wearing stockings and it's not just a simple color change. She's also wearing a long sleeve blouse and an overalls dress on top of it. You'll see that her dress has a nice little frill and lace edging at the end. And underneath, you'll see with the color change, she is wearing underwear here, and the dress is simply crocheted directly onto her body. So Della also has this collar that you can put around her neck. It's optional. You can remove it if you feel like you like her without this extra little collar here. Let me just pull it off quickly to show you. I think I kind of prefer her without the collar. Just nice and simple like that. And Della also has a little bow to put in front of an ear. And as you can see with her ears, the ears are actually flat and done in one piece. It's just some simple color changing within to create these dual toned ears. Same with Ollie's ears as well. You'll see that he has some white in the middle, and that's just simply some color changing done to show the contrast. I hope you enjoyed taking a quick look at these 3 little dolls. And if you'd like to check their patterns out, I have their pattern links in the description box below, along with the blog pattern link. So you can go ahead and take a look at all the details of these 3 amigurumi. Alright, thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye now!